So, bale yung buong 55, siya nang sumagot.
Okay. I returned their contributions because they didn't want their names to be divulged. They didn't want their names to be revealed.
Pwede mo malaman, Madam Chair, what's the nature of work ni Mr. Noel Oñate? And he's willing to pay the 55 million. Kasi sa akin, napakalaking halaga na yan eh.
Tinatanong ni Senator Bato, ano yung source of income mo?
Para lagi kang updated. Ako nga pala si Bidaya ng mga oposisyon sa kasalukuyan po. At sabi nga, galit na galit ang mga dapungan ng Pangulong Duterte.
Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, i-subscribe mo na yan!
Parating natin kasamahan is kung sino daw nagbayad nung kanilang advertisement.
Ang pinag-usapan kanina, no, Mr. Oñate, na yung 55 million, sinagot nung una ni Mr. Oñate, tama po ba yung kalahati? Pagkatapos, nung hinihingi natin yung listahan ng mga donors nung kabilang kalahati, medyo kinabahan na yung mga donors na iba, ayaw ilabas yung pangalan nila, kaya binayaran na rin lang yung other half ni Mr. Oñate. So, bale yung buong 55, siya nang sumagot.
Okay.
I returned their contributions because they didn't want their names to be divulged. They didn't want their names to be revealed. So I just returned their contributions.
Sinabi ko nga na pwede naman mag-executive session or witness protection kasi nagawa na natin. Pero yun nga, babalikan na lang ni Mr. Oñate yung mga kausap niya.
They are concerned about their privacy.
Pwede mo malaman, Madam Chair, what's the nature of work ni Mr. Noel Oñate? And he's willing to pay the 55 million. Kasi sa akin, napakalaking halaga na yan eh. Kung personal money mo yan, pwede malaman kung anong trabaho mo, anong pinagkikitaan mo.
Yeah, because it's been my advocacy for the past 28 years.
I think it's also been stated that Mr. Oñate has been a political operator for 30 years and very generous in donating money for political causes.
Anong source of income?
Marami na rata kayong kandidatong nasuportahan nung nakaraan, di po ba?
Yeah, hindi ko naintindihan. Pardon me?
Ulitin ko lang, Madam Chair. Tinatanong ni Senator Bato, ano yung source of income mo?
Sorry, I have a sorry.
No problem. We understand your predicament.
We're
Please.
all going that way po.
I think I declared it during the first session. Anyway, well, I'm a businessman. I used to own an airline, Asian Spirit Airline, and then I've been an investment banker. And also, I bought Pacific Plans from the Yuchenko family. And early on, when I was in my 20s, I made money in the stock market and the money market.
Thank you. Thank you for that information. I hope si Lucio Tan na may-ari ng PAL ay willing to give 55 million din no, sa ganyang mga kausa. 55 million from his hard-earned money for that kausa, yung PI lang. Hindi kita minamaliit, sir, ha? Alam ko mayaman ka. Alam ko mayaman ka. Tatanong lang ako kung saan yung source of funds mo para magbayad personally ng 55 million para lang sa ads ng itong sa PI na sinusulong ninyo. Thank you, just for the record. Yun lang. Gusto lang marinig kasi yung ibang kasama namin, wala during the last hearing. Nagmumonitor sila ngayon. Gusto lang malaman kung sino daw, saan galing yung pondo mo. Yun lang. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Kung sakaling natuloy, tinatanong din na nung ibang kasamahan namin, kung sakaling natuloy yung communications plan na 211 million, sasagutin rin ninyo. Ang bigat na eh.
Wala namang usapan na hanggang 200 million yung 55, okay lang. Yung 200, medyo siguro mag-iisip ako.
Hindi, pero saan nyo naisip nyo na ba o napagplanuhan nyo na ba kung saan nyo kukunin yung remaining balance? Kasi 55 million lang yung na raise pero ang billing is 211 million.
Well, I was told by my lawyers I'm just supposed to pay 55 million. Kasi yung 200 million, I think was for an 8-week campaign. Itong lumabas na ad made and produced by Mr. Greg Garcia was only aired for 4 days. Pero it caused a lot of discussion and all that. So
Pero ang goal ho was to spend 211 million eh. So, napagplanuhan nyo na ho ba kung saan nyo kukunin yung 211 million? Kasi your comp plan was supposed to be for 8 weeks. So, naisip nyo na ho ba kung saan nyo kukunin yung 211 million?
Yeah, the initial payment was, out of the 211, the initial payment was 55 million.
So, saan nyo ho balak kunin yung remaining balance?
Hindi ko naman, I did not commit to pay for the remaining balance. I
Hindi,
only
pero
committed to pay for the 55
hindi,
million.
Sino nga hong naiisip nyo na magpupuno ng balanse? Kasi you told the network that you're willing to do a 8-week comp plan. So, syempre, kailangan may magbayad ng 8-week comp plan nyo. You're only willing to pay 55 million. Well, technically nga, 27 million lang. Kaso lang nag-back out yung mga donors. So, saan nyo ho naiisip na kukunin yung balance?
We actually didn't think about the remaining balance anymore. We were just concerned about the first 55
Hindi,
million
pero question
because
ho,
we wanted
this-
to launch the
Pero Mr. Oñate, this was
project
given to
already.
you December 29. Billing 211 million. Pag ako ho nakakuha ng billing na sinasabi kailangan ko bayaran 211 million, syempre iisipin ko, okay, saan ko kukunin yung 211 million? So nung nakuha nyo ho ba to, dapat sinabi nyo kay Mr. Garcia, hindi ko kayang bayaran yung 211 million. Give me another proposal. Kaya ko 55 million lang. May ganun ho ba kayong instructions kay Mr. Garcia na to scale down the placement because hindi nyo talaga afford itong 211 million noong December
The
29.
211 million, from what I know, was not payable immediately. It was to be paid in batches.
Eh, hindi. Sino
So we
nga ho
did not-
magbabayad
we did
ng
not-
batch?
At that
Yung
time,
next
I
batch.
didn't think about
Next batch.
the second batch or the third batch or the fourth batch. I just thought about the first batch.
So parang hindi din ho comprehensive yung comp plan nyo kasi hindi nyo pa ho alam kung sino magbabayad nung next phase nung comp plan nyo.
Well, we were thinking maybe we can get some donors or some people. If the advertisement is successful, then money will start to trickle in. Money will come. We